Hi guys, welcome to Fiverr Review YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video, I will review with launch and market and monetize your podcast course review. So watch video completely guys. So don't skip this video guys. If you want to watch and first time in my channel, hit the like and click on the subscribe also guys. Let's get started. Learn everything you need to know about how to conceptualize, record, edit and market your own podcast on your budget. This course cost guys is $36. This course is covered for 22 videos and 2.4 hours video length, and 48 students is already completed and give you positive review of 4.9 guys. And now we'll see this course will be covered on the topic guys. And this course also provide for 30-day money back guarantee and unlimited access of anywhere anytime, and learn from handwritten instruction expert in the field. And I will give the link in the description below guys. You will check it out and watch this presentation of this video and this course introduction also. Now we'll see this guys, this course syllabus guys. Chapter 1 and intro to SAM excuse me, what to expect and state of podcasting, and who is the 49%, and state of podcasting part 2, state of podcasting on formatting your podcast and podcast format and podcast generations, podcast artwork and podcast clicktations, formatting your podcast, and interviewing guest and attracting guest and preparing for interviews and interviewing guest, and podcast tech equipment and podcast recording, demo of AT make and podcast hosting, disturbing your podcast and podcast marketing and monetize your podcast, and final thought and final course. Now we'll see guys, this course will complete now. You will see the format your podcast correctly of various styling of including solo and interview. So navigate your choice around the technical equipment for your show. So edit a full podcast episode by yourself from scratch and distribute your podcast on platform like Apple Podcast and Shopify. Know your way around the RSS feed. Market your podcast using proven pre-launch and ongoing marketing techniques. So monetize your podcast in a variety of different ways, and plan your shows and create a podcast sections for each episode. So now we'll see guys, this course, this audience of podcast continues to grow worldwide, as have never been better time to position yourself an expert of the dedicated for fan of the topic of the start and branded podcast, but with all of your option for equipment, themes and softwares and hosting. Where do is one behind, especially when you are a budget. So this course will cover essential equipment of guidelines, tips for booking guests and editing techniques, and how to attract sponsor and how to monetize your show and proven expert marketing techniques. So if you want to learn all about in the lucrative world of your podcasting, this course will perfect place to start. So this course we will learn guys, the state of podcasting today, 4 factor of the consider of deciding of your show format, how to pick generation, timing and topic, 5 core tips of mastering technique, and tips and tricks, and how to reach a broader audience, and how to choose a podcast net artwork, how to organize your episode. So why learn this course guys? Because this course Mr. Creator Sam Liability. Sam Liability is a self-employed guys, digital nomad, host of renowned podcast series. So he's following the dream of working a laptop, traveling in the world, empowering others to do same a top-rated podcasting course guys. Definitely this course really worthwhile guys, and you will see guys, this entrepreneur you want to learn how to monetize, and anyone want to launch a podcast budget, and personal brand wanting to grow the audience, all expecting levels. So I'm already covered for this one guys. It's a money back guarantee and exercise the cues will help you in practice English closed caption. I will see this guys, 48% is provided for the value of the reviews guys. This course was wonderful explanation and how to create a successful podcast. It not only as a thought out discussions and how to make a podcast, including everything from areas you to process of editing podcast, but also getting all important work in explaining what you do with podcast once you have it with. Thanks for the creating such a great course Sam. So many reviews guys. Okay, that's it for this video guys. Now we will give the I will give the link in the description below guys. Plus you will purchase this course plus 25% extra discount also provide for this course guys. I will give the link, in the description below guys. We'll check it out, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.